Hello guys, it's a new blissful day. Trust you're all doing well. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove a background and change the background as well. So as you all know, check the video description below. You're going to see the images that we are going to use for the tutorial. So when you click on the links, this is our first image and this is our second image. So we are going to remove the background over here and use this background. So let's minimize our browser, drag the image to our desktop and drag the other one too as well. So now you can expand your browser. So open your Photoshop, click on File, then Open. Select the two images and press OK. So we got our first image and the second image. So we select the first image as this one. Select your quick selection. Click your quick selection tool right here. Select quick selection, or you can use key W. Press on the plus sign for you to easily add more selections. So now we are going to select the background and crop it. So we select our background right here. Select the background. Select the background smoothly. Zoom in your work for you to get a correct selection. You select this side. We select this side too. Hold your Alt key to subtract the selection from it. Select your Polygonal Lasso tool. Select, then click on the add right here. Click on the add, or you can hold your shift key to add, then click on the edges. Click right here, click right here, click right here, click at the top, and now you can easily end it on the O, and it selects nicely for you. So let's keep on looking our smooth edges. As you can see here, hold your Alt key to select the manual sign. Select, click, and click right here. Then boom, we get it. Hold it again, click, 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 click. Boom. We get it straight. Hold your Control plus your scroll wheel moves to the horizontal. When you release, it scrolls to the vertical. It scrolls vertically. So you hold your Control to scroll horizontally, then you release to scroll vertically. So let's continue. We select, we click, then we end it right here. So we got this side to wall cropped. go back to the shoe. We have to select our plus or addition sign just to add the selection. So we click right here, we click right here, we click right here, we click right here, we click, 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 and boom, it's well selected. So hold your alt key, then subtract at the top of the shoe, click to get the exact the correct selection. You click, 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 and it's right here. It's also well selected. Now we want the mat. We want the mat right here. So what are we going to do? We still select our Polygonal Lasso 2, zoom in our work a little bit, hold the control to zoom in, then we'll move to the left side, select the starting of the mat by holding alt key to subtract the selection that we did. So you click at where the starting of the mat, then you click right here, 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 you click right here. So now you can select anywhere you want, then we end it right here. It's all selected. So as you can see over here, we have his leg is showing right here. So we have to still hold our alt key and subtract the selection that we did earlier on. So let's select, click, 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 and now you can click anywhere you want just to get the zero sign to get selected, and now it was selected. We check the top two, the hand, the black coat is not showing up, so we still hold the alt key, we select right here, we click, 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 then we end it right here, and it's also selected. So let's hold Control 0 to see how best our crop is. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, in this point of view, hold your Control Shift key plus I to select just the image that we want. Then hold Control J to duplicate it. So now if we turn our eyeball off right here, if we turn it off, we click and turn it off, we're going to get the image that we want, because we don't want the background. If we activate it, we get it back. If we deselect, then we get it gone. So to deselect your work, hold Control D. If it's selected, hold Control D to deselect. Then what's next? We go back to our beautiful grass, click on the move tool, right click on the background right here, and click on duplicate layer. On the document, press on the document and select the Clayton wording, then press OK. If we go there, we got it right. So we hold Control T, bring the mouse to the edge, then hold the Shift key plus Alt key. So move the mouse and we get the sides moving together. After that, press and enter to get it. Now drag the background down to the layer 1 and you get it correct. So Control 0 to fade the page. Now we can move our background up a little bit, and now it's cool. So Control Manuals to zoom out. Now it still look fake because the edges are too smooth. So we select the layer 1 as our image, zoom in to the edges, click on the mask tool, then select your brush. So we are going to mask the mat so that it will look like it's well laid on the grass. So hold your left click, then drag through small, don't go too deep, just at the edges smoothly. You can zoom out your work and zoom in, hold control plus scroll down and up. So we do that, we apply the same right here. We move to the left side, do the same, move to the right side, do the same. At the edges of the mat, keep on masking it slowly. Scroll down, the mask right here too. And now mask the shoe so that it will be like the leg is on the grass. It's on the grass. So let's do it gently so that it will not spoil. So when you mistakenly maybe the mouse moves fast to clear it, you just hold Control plus Z. Control Z will undo it. When you overdo it, maybe you do 1 2 3 1 2 3, the first Control Z will undo it. If you press on the Control Z again, it will bring it back, it will redo it. So you hold your Control Z to undo, then hold the Control plus Alt key, then you press on your Z key, then it's gone. So that's how we used to undo our work. Or you can click right here, the history. You can click on the history, you get all the layers right here. So we don't want the 2 brushes that we did, so we can press on the third one and it's gone. When you press on the second one, we get 1. Press on the last one, we get all the 2. When we press on the third one, then it's gone. So you can just bring it back to normal. So Control 0, and now it's perfect. So we got our image well cropped and nicely change the background. So as you all know, zoom out your work, click on the background, then select your crop tool, move it at the back, move it backward, it's okay, then press on enter. So activate your background, then double click on it, then enter. We select our move tool by clicking here or pressing on V. Then we'll move our background right here by the help of shift key. So we press on the crop tool again, then adjust it to fit the page correctly, then enter. So we go to the horizontal tool as test, we click, then right, type before, control enter, then after, control enter. But you see that the after is not showing. After is not showing. So you click your move tool, drag the after at the top to the top layer, then release it, and it come here, it come. So we can adjust the before, put it right here, and it's cool now. We got it correct. So let's save our work. You go to file, press on save or Ctrl S to save it, then name it test 3, enter. It's saved to desktop, test 3. Okay, go to file again, click on save as, then test 3. On the format we change to JPEG, then we save it as JPEG 2. Increase the quality to 12%, and we'll get our image 1.3 megabytes. It's cool though. Then press on OK, then it's saved. So if you go back to our desktop, open the test 3, we got the before and the after. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate you guys so much. Wish to see you in the next video, and have a blessed day. Peace up to you all. Stay cool. Bye.